Hi, welcome to Moose's Workshop, also Starry Night Railways. Just a little update on the bridge. We got it installed. We still got to put the little cross braces in and paint it, but it's together. It's not one weld on it. Everything is bolted or screwed together. We got the actual water feature dug out. We just put in the blue rubber mulch. Around the edge is going to be river stone and all that. Get that later, but I think the blue mulch works good. We got the inner and outer derails in. But yeah, still a lot to do, but it is now usable. On to the next project.